Just tell about yourself.
Uh, my name is Anshita and I am 23 years old. I am from Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation from Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh
What days will
University.
you hours?
I have completed my graduation from Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University, and now I am pursuing my MSc from Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University. As concerned to my family, there are six members in my family: my parents, my grandparents, and my two younger sisters.
So, what do you want to become in your future? Like, what is your future goal?
My future goal is I want to do a job in a reputable company where I can improve my skills and get more knowledgeable.
Like, in which field you want to work?
I want to in a corporate section where I can explore
Like,
myself.
is there any specific area like sales, marketing, or what sort of like area you?
I want to become a human resource HR.
Okay, HR.
Yeah.
So just tell me, have you ever faced any interview?
Yes, I faced interview because currently I'm working in a HIT group of company, so I have given interview there.
Could you tell some experience about your workplace?
Yeah, their environment is very good. I'm very comfortable at that place, and I every day I learn something new because I'm working as an academic management. So on that place, I learn every day. I learned something new. To create there, I can create something new daily basis, and I have developed management skill there.
Well, I think this is an education-based company.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
But you want to pursue your career in HR.
Yeah.
So, why you're not starting from now?
Yes, sir.
Why are you not starting from now in HR?
Because I applied for HR, but they told me that you have less knowledgeable for that. So they transfer me in academic section that I can learn and to get more knowledge from there that how to become an HR. That's
So tell me, how did you know about your job vacancies? How did you know about job?
I've searched for like there are so many apps which provide us job like Indeed, Naukri. So I search on Indeed, then I get that there is a company, HIT group of company. So I applied for that, and I've given interview and I got selected. Then I start working.
I'm asking about here. How did you know that job vacancies are that you came to give your interview?
By social medias
Okay, just tell me, why should we hire you?
because I am a best candidate for this job. My skills perfectly completely suits, and I'm a very hard worker, and I'm very innovative, and I'm always in a learning phase that I can learn and learn everything from there. And every time I just try to learn something new and create something. I'm very innovative and dedicated to my work, and I'm very problem solving where some problem arises that I can solve very easily. I can also having a pressure management.
What's your biggest achievement so far?
Sorry.
Biggest achievement so far? अब तक आपने सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि क्या है?
I have learned a lot with my past
Achievement,
experiences.
like you can say, if you have ever achieved first rank in your class, second rank or third rank, or any medal or something.
I have achieved. I'm an average student, but I get rank one first all the times in my school, and I have a secure place, BSc Agriculture first position in my college also.
So this is your achievement, basically. You can say.
What salary do you expect?
Um, My first priority is to gain a knowledge and enhance my skills. So whatever company I can accept whatever company norms.
No, this is not a good thing. Like you need some sort of sufficient amount, like 15K, 20K, like that. Like if you're working somewhere, you need to tell about the salary package. If they are okay with that, or you can say, I can negotiate on this. Right? If you're saying like 20K is my budget, you can say like I can negotiate it. Firstly, I just want to work on my skills and development. But if the thing are there, like if everything is went well, then I can just negotiate my salary. Right? Because if you will provide the flexibility to anyone, he or she will say just go for the 5,000, 2,000, 4,000, anything.
I
can be
get.
Okay, want to ask other questions?
No, I think it's done.
Okay,
Okay,
tell
one
me.
last question, like where do you see after 5 years yourself?
I want to see myself in a reputable company where I can. I want to see myself in a reputable company where I can explore myself and solving. I want to become a task solving person where I can explore myself there.
Can you tell me what is the leadership in your point of view? Leadership skill.
You can guide to the persons or not?
Yeah,
So what qualities you require for that?
having a good communication skill
Okay.
and very having a good decision making. Having a tendency to take a quick decision at that time. I think these are the leadership qualities.
Yes, and you need to know about how to motivate your team,
Yeah.
where they are lacking.
Firstly, it is important to make a team
Make a team. Yes.
and impress with your thoughts and ideas. Then you can lead. Leader never be alone. If you are telling all the qualities in yourself, so you can't be a leader. You have to develop all the things in your team. It is important when we talk about the leadership quality. So just tell me, how long have you been working in SIIT?
I've joined HIT November 2023 to till present. I'm still working.
I think they are running Playway School and some educational
Yes, sir.
things. So, could you tell me what the concept of Playway School and how they are running in Pan India? I think most of the India's so many Playway School is having more than 200.
They are selling franchises over 23 states of India, like Farrukhabad, Chibramau.
I know all the things.
Oh.
I want to know that what the work profile over there, what work you are doing, because they are not running any organization. They are only telecalling and other things. What your role over there?
My role is there. I'm academic manager. I'm academic management, and there I can form daily basis how to teach children. I'm just making a planner, monthly planner, some syllabus, creativity and art and craft activities. There tomorrow will be Ganesh Chaturthi. So what activities should be performed there, and what is good for the children, and how to improve their skills. That type of activity.
Is there
And
any other person that help you?
Yeah.
Non-self you are doing that.
HR was also there, but they did not take the responsibilities of academics. So I handle academic things and activity also. And so my seniors guide me that what you have to do, because I don't have any background of teaching anything. So that's why they guide me. Like the CEO of our company, he guides me in everything. Like you have to do this, you have to improve yourself.
What I think he has started this business from a small house,
Yes.
and now is I think he spent in 200
We
plus
are
franchises.
we are still in that
Do you
house.
get some motivation from him,
Yeah.
Mr. Aditya? And
Yeah. He always motivates us that we are started from a small things, and we don't have a lots of knowledge, but our experiences
you may be
teach us.
surprised